Hello everyone, how is it going? And today we are on lead code with another problem. So today is day 28 of lead code solving easy section problems, and today's problem is Pascal's triangle. So let us move to the problem statement. So the given problem statement is given an integer num rows. We need to return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it, as shown. So each number is the sum of two numbers directly above it, like it is shown in the animation, and all the first value of a row are equals to one, and all the last value of the row are is equals to one because there is no sufficient value above it to sum it up to. So let us start the problem statement. So first of all, uh, let us start a loop. Okay, so first of all, let's declare the variables. Answer variable in which we will we will keep our answer. We need two other vectors. One in which we will calculate our previous row, and the other in which we will our calculate current row. Because we need the previous row's value uh, to sum it up and calculate the current row's value. So it will be of vector of integer and vectors current and previous. Then we will start a loop for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to number of rows, and then I plus plus. So for the first row, there will be only one value. For second row, there is two values. For the third row, there are three values. So for every row, the column values will be equals to the row number. So the second loop will go from int j is equals to 1, j less than and equals to I, j plus plus. Now we have a condition if j is equals to 1, means it is the first value of a row, then it will be 1. So if j is equals to 1, or if j is the last value of the row, so if j is equals to I, then we will just current dot push back 1, or else or else if it is this value, then we will just do sum of previous j minus 1 and j minus uh, previous j minus 1. So if this is 2, so the uh, previous first value and previous second value, so j minus 1 and j minus 2, we will add them, and that will become our current value. So current dot push back previous j minus 1 previous A minus 2. And at the end, we will answer dot push back correct. And after that, we will make previous as correct. And then we will clear all the elements from current vector. So current clear. And at the end we will return answer. So let us run our code. We missed a semicolon here. Let us run again. Let us submit also. Our solution has been accepted. If you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better solution or a suggestion, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.